do not accept this eyewash, because laws cannot be made in a day or two. They have to be thought through, they have to be scrutinized in Parliament, it has to go before a standing committee, they have to consult people who have devoted decades of their lives to the education sector.
Strategy remains the same. Government has agreed to meet us at a neutral place. We will be putting our demands, which we have been consistent with from the first day. The 4 demands. First is Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation.
Cockroach Janata Party leaders welcomed Sonam Wangchuk's decision to end his 26-day hunger strike. CJP spokesperson Abhijit Dipke said the group is relieved and grateful. He praised Wangchuk's courage and sacrifice and said his hunger strike drew attention to concerns over the education system. However, the CJP said the protest will continue until demands are met. CJP spokesperson Saurav Das said the group will hold talks today with the government at the Constitution Club of India. Another CJP spokesperson, Vaishnavi Gaur, said the delegation will reiterate 4 demands, including Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation.
See, we were not aware. We were not aware about this because we are here at Jantar Mantar. As you know, the internet connectivity is bad and the jammers are still working, so the signal is also not there. So we were not aware. However, we just found out and we read the report. It's actually great. We wrote a letter to him yesterday also, appealing him to break his fast because it was 25 days yesterday. It's been 26 days. He has lost more than 11 kilos and he looks very weak on the video. Therefore, now that he has broken his fast, we are very relieved, and that's a very good step. The cabinet can do as it pleases. That has nothing to do with us. Our demands remain the same. This protest will continue until those demands are met, no matter what. So tomorrow, the discussion that has been called for, we are very happy that the government has acceded to our request that it be at a neutral venue, and the Constitution Club of India has been chosen, is what we've been told. It's great. We hope that the government comes with an open mind and it will listen to the people of this country who have been out on the roads for so long. The measures suggested by the Prime Minister, first of all, starting with the fast-track courts, it doesn't really solve the problem. It's a band-aid measure. You know, the fast-track courts are, how are they usually created? They are not created afresh. The existing courts where there's huge pendency, 5 crore pendency in Indian judiciary, especially in the lower courts, those courts are designated as fast-track courts. So they think they are solving a problem when they really are not, and in the process creating more problems for the judiciary. So what we really need is a holistic approach to this issue of paper leaks, about the issue of education reforms. You can't create another problem, another severe pendency in the judiciary also because of this reason, right? As far as the law goes, I mean, no law is made in such haste. Laws have to be made after a lot of deliberation, discussion. So I would like to tell the people of this country, the protesters who are out on the streets, do not accept this eyewash, because laws cannot be made in a day or two. They have to be thought through, they have to be scrutinized in Parliament, it has to go before a standing committee, they have to consult people who have devoted decades of their lives to the education sector. Further details के लिए आप wait करिए, अभी ये developing situation भी है, हम लोग call लेंगे कि कैसे करना है, but मैं at the same time बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग बहुत खुश है कि सोनम जी ने finally उनका fast तोड़ दिया. See, the people of this country who are out on the roads, of course they have sentiments attached to Sonam ji, of course they have sentiments attached to the people here, but at the same time they are out on the streets for themselves. They are the ones who are suffering, they are the ones who are feeling a sense of hopelessness at the broken education system, at the corrupt system that we have created all this while. So I think their demands will continue, the protest will continue. We are not backing out. We have given a call for nationwide protest tomorrow. Let there be a Jantar Mantar in every district of this country, because real awakening starts from the grassroots, and that is what we really need.
Strategy remains the same. Government has agreed to meet us at a neutral place. We will be putting our demands, which we have been consistent with from the first day. The 4 demands. First is Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. Second is compensation for the families. And the 2 other demands which came after the 20th March One is that all the FIRs on innocent protesters should be gone, and of course fourth, that the police officials who actually were involved in that brutal crackdown should be prosecuted. I think it's a band-aid on a festering wound. If the law is only about the fast-track courts, we have multiple fast-track courts. Nothing has come out of it, right? We also released a demand charter, जिसमें हमने specifically ये बोला था कि आपने नीट 2024 के बाद भी एक लॉ लाए थे आप, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ अनफेयर मीन्स एक्ट 2024, उसमें एक भी कन्विक्शन नहीं हुआ. एंड इनफैक्ट वेरी गुड टाइमिंग, बिकॉज आज ही यूजी 2024 में जो कॉन्विक्ट थे उनका भी आ गया सीबीआई चार्जशीट का कि देयर इज नॉट इनफ एविडेंस, राइट? सो आई डोंट थिंक सो. द पॉइंट इज कि अब वो लीक होने के बाद आप कितना पनिश कर रहे हो कोई भी छोटे मोटे आदमी को जो उसमें लिंक्ड है, राइट? आवर फोकस इज ऑन प्रिवेंशन. वन इज दैट prevention of paper leaks needs to happen. Second, accountability has to come in the system. Papers are getting leaked because one, incompetent people are heading the ministry, heading the departments. That needs to be changed. And second, there has to be a mechanism. You can't just say that once it is leaked, we will do, fast track course, this and that. No. In our charter as well, we have given detail. Student also needs to be given rights. अभी leak हो गया, उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स का भी तो कंपनसेशन होना चाहिए ना, कुछ उनके भी तो कुछ राइट होने चाहिए. वी आर फाइटिंग फॉर अकाउंटेबिलिटी which comes with the resignation of the education minister, under whose tenure, please tell me how many exams have been leaked, right? So that is the first one. Second step is trying to rebuild the system. That is where Prime Minister has to come, and only fast track courts cannot do it.